In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a course to the Skool platform. Adding a course in Skool is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each and every step to ensure that your new course is set up exactly the way you want it. We'll start from the very beginning, right from finding the Skool website online. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to your favorite search engine. Type in Skool into the search bar to begin. Once you see the search results, you'll want to click on the very first link that appears, which should take you directly to Skool's homepage. Now that you're on the Skool site, locate the Login button at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it and sign in with your Skool account credentials. This is crucial because you need to be logged in to access the areas where you can create and manage courses. After successfully logging in, draw your attention to the upper left part of the screen where you'll find two arrows. Click on these arrows to open up the main navigation menu. With the menu now visible, you'll see a list of the communities you're part of. Click on the community where you intend to add your new course. This takes you to that community's main page where you'll manage your courses and other features. Within this community page, you will notice various tabs and sections, but for now, the Classroom tab is where we need to go. Click on it and you'll see an overview of all the courses and learning materials you have set up within that community. Now it's time to add a new course. Look for the button that says New Course and click on it. A new window will pop up prompting you to type in the name of your course. Choose a name that clearly represents the content and purpose of your course, as this will be the first thing potential students see. Once you've entered the course name, you'll want to provide a brief description. This is a great opportunity to outline what the course is about, any prerequisites, and who would benefit most from taking it. Make it inviting and informative. Next, you'll have the option to decide who can access this course. This is an important decision as it determines who your audience will be. You can make your course accessible to everyone in the community or restrict access to a specific group of users. Finally, with all the details entered, go ahead and click the ADD button. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new course to your Skool platform. It's now ready for members of your community to enroll and start learning. You can always return to edit any part of the course should you need to update or change the content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.